All right, we are headed to Irwindale for Elite Tuner. They're having a night meet. So they're having the car show. They have the drags open. I think they have a burnout pit, maybe a two-step competition, and a gang of vendors. Let's check it out. Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy. Did you see that?
All control. Super control. Watch out when people creeping up on you.
Oh my God.
What up?
How you been?
Chilling. What's good with you?
Chilling. What time did you get here?
I've been for a minute. I just been running around, going over there.
Good. I just like hugged you and you got on me.
Juices and berries, you know what I mean?
Test. Let's give it up for Infinity! For the Subaru! For the Infinity! For the Subaru! Let's do it again. First the Infinity and the Subaru. 1, 2, 3, 2, 7.
Yeah! You killed that shit!
we got the Camaro over here. Here we go with the Camaro.
I was told Vietnamese girls are spicy.
Don't look at me, motherfucker. Like, yeah, shit. Hey, look at her blushing. Look, yeah. Oh, yeah. No, I'm sorry, man. We're getting ready to go hit up the drag. Just want to say what's up. Pleasure, man. Always. Indeed.
Take care. And don't get it wrong next time.
What's your fake ass? What are you? Black?
Hi, I'm a Negro. My name is Big Daniel. Nice to see you. And I don't deal with any type of discrimination, okay? From little people. Look at this. hey, she's like, honey, look at your nail. You got a boyfriend? Oh, shit. All right. All right, waiting for the next race, but hey, can I talk to you guys for a second? Like, subscribe, support. Mucho gusto. Bien. What is you doing, man? Like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Import Life Media, because I'm out here busting my ass, going around the world. Well, California, Vegas, Arizona, Utah, wherever. But trying to bring you guys some good content, man. If you guys like what you see, let me know. If you don't,
ladies and gentlemen, if you want to hit,
let me know.
You still have a tech card. Get on over there. We got 20
Back to the show.
That is cool. Here he goes, pulling up to the line here, making sure everything's good. Crew's getting the last minute checks, getting a few test hits. Always putting on a show. Freedom fighter. The windows are rattling, watch the mosquitoes, the mice, everybody's running, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Let's see what he's got.
All right, y'all. On my way out. Dope event, dude. Good burnout, good two-step. Dope races. Trying to do a lot for you guys, and like I said, if you make any comments, I respond back and I listen and I read. So if you want me to cover any shows, any cars, bring you some different type of content, let me know and I'll bring it to you guys. All right, till next time.
Get off my dick. No, I'm just kidding.
Damn. So how you really feel? Are you living in the car with you now?